Hey guys, it's Lisette here. It's been a while since I showed you guys my lip care routine, so I thought it was about time. So first things first, my lips always let me know whenever I'm not drinking enough water, which is something that shows like in my lips and in my skin. My lips start looking really dry and really cracked, and so I like to make sure that I'm getting enough water in my daily diet. So starting with the teeth, you can have super nice lips, but if your teeth not on point, then it just kind of ruins everything. So I like to brush my teeth with this Crest 3D white toothpaste. This is my favorite toothpaste and I just always end up going back to this one. So I just like to brush my teeth like normal, and I like to use an electric toothbrush because these just work so much better and so much more efficiently than regular manual brushing. So once I'm done brushing my teeth and my toothbrush is clean, of course, I'm actually brushing my lips. I'm going in circular motions to brush my lips, and this helps to just exfoliate them and to remove a lot of the dead skin, especially if it's built up from just, being dry, and especially out here in LA, like my lips get super dry quick. Along with brushing, I really like to make sure that my teeth are just super white, like as white as possible. So I like to use these Crest 3D white strips. And these are the glamorous white kind, and so I'm just taking them out, and you just literally place them on your teeth. The bigger one is for your top teeth and the smaller one is for your bottom teeth. But yeah, they're really sticky, so be careful. Leaving this on for about 30 to 45 minutes, and when I take it off, my teeth are extra white. So this is getting into a little bit of the TMI section, but we gotta talk about it. Sometimes, the nose hairs be popping out. They be popping out. This is an electric nose trimmer. It's from Toiletry, and I got this from Amazon. I will have everything linked in the description box, but sometimes you just need to trim your nose hairs. If you smile and the nose hairs are kind of sticking out, then this is something you might want to invest in. But yeah, I love this. It has like a little light on it, and it gets the job done. And once you're done, you just want to blow your nose because all the little hairs can get stuck in there. Moving on to more facial hair. This is for your peach fuzz or for your little mustache. Yes, girls get them, and it's not anything to be embarrassed about, and this is something that I talk about pretty openly on my channel, and I use this all the time. This one's from Panasonic, and so I like to just remove the hair on my upper lip and also below my lip, and I love this thing. I use this for basically like my whole face. So sometimes using the toothbrush is not enough, and you need to bring out the heavy duty stuff, which is a lip scrub. This one is from Lush. It's Eve's Cherry. And this lip scrub is so good. So you just apply this onto your lips. It's a sugar-based scrub, and it's all natural ingredients. So once you, use your finger to exfoliate the dead skin, you can actually lick it off and eat it. And trust me, like this tastes just like candy. After using an exfoliating scrub on my lips, I like to use an oil, and this one is from Laura Mercier, and it's their Flawless Skin. I really like this oil because it smells just like roses, but of course you can use something that's like 100% organic, like coconut oil or something like that, but I really like to use this one because it just looks cute and it smells good and it works really nice. So sometimes when you just have really dry lips, chapstick is not enough, and so this is a lip mask. It's from Nug, and this is one of the most moisturizing lip products that I've ever tried in my entire life. And so you just apply it on, and you can see how my finger just glides over my lips. Like my lips are super moisturized right now. And that's the end of my routine. So with this, I'm ready to go to bed. And if you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.